In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new Google email account for children. If you're setting up a Google account for a child, you'll need to follow a specific set of steps to ensure everything is configured appropriately. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. We'll start on our existing Google account page. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll find a profile icon. Give it a click. This action will reveal a drop-down menu, providing you with a few options regarding account management. What we want to do here is to look for add another account, which is the second option down. Click on that to proceed to the login page. Once you're there, you'll notice the typical Google sign-in section. Now, instead of logging in, you should see an option below the email field that says create account. Click on create account, and a small menu will appear inquiring who the account is for. Since this is for a child, select for my child. This step ensures that the account adheres to Google's additional safety and privacy measures suitable for younger users. After selecting for my child, Google will present a page asking for your agreement to Google's terms before continuing. Look for the button that says yes, continue. Press it only if you agree with their terms and conditions. Next, you'll be in the account creation phase, where the first requirement is to enter your child's full name. Make sure to double check for any typos, as this will be used for the account's personal identification. Once you're confident in the details you've entered, go ahead and click on the Next button. Moving on, we need some additional personal details here. You'll input your child's date of birth and choose their gender. These details are crucial for Google's record to tailor the user experience appropriately. Got everything filled in, click Next to continue. Now it's time to create a username for your child. This will be the email address they'll use. You might have to get creative here, as the username should be unique. If the desired username is already taken, Google will suggest alternatives. Once you've settled on a suitable username, again click Next. Almost there. After this, Google will guide you through the final setup instructions, which can include setting a password and reviewing account settings to ensure everything is just right for a child-friendly environment. Follow through these prompts carefully. That's it. You've just created a Google email account for your child, meticulously configured with appropriate settings. Having an email under your supervision can be a valuable tool for learning. Remember, you can always update the settings and permissions to suit your preference or your child's growing needs. Thanks for joining in today's guide, and I hope you found it simple and straightforward to follow.